In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page numbers in Google Docs. This is a handy tip, whether you're working on a lengthy report, a class project, or you simply want to keep your documents neatly organized. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you're going to want to open up your internet browser. Once you have it open, head over to Google and search for Google Docs. This is usually the fastest way if you don't already have a direct bookmark or shortcut set up. After locating the Google Docs link, click it to begin. Once you're in Google Docs, you need to open the document you want to work on. This could be anything from a new document you just started or one that's been sitting in your drive for some time. Simply navigate to the document and click on it to open it up. If it's the first time you're opening it, give it a second to load fully with your document now on the screen. The next step involves your top menu. Find the menu at the top of the page and click on the Insert option. It might take you a couple of seconds to get used to the layout if it's your first time here, but take your time. There's no rush. After you've clicked on Insert, you'll notice a drop-down list of options. From here, hover your mouse over page numbers. When you hover, more options will appear to the side. This is where you need to pay attention as it's crucial for selecting exactly how your page numbers will appear in your document. You have a couple of choices now. The decision on which format to select largely depends on where you want your page numbers to show. There's an option for placing the numbers at the top right corner of each page, which is the header area. Alternatively, you might prefer to have them placed in the footer, sitting at the bottom right, which is quite common for academic and professional documents. Once you've decided on a format that suits your document style and your personal preference, just click it. Your page numbers will automatically populate throughout the entire document based on the selected format. Easy, right? Remember, this can always be edited. If you start adding material or sections that require resequencing, or just decide that you'd prefer a different look, you can go back, follow these steps again, and choose another option. There you have it. Adding page numbers in Google Docs is that simple. It's a small detail, but one that can make your documents look clean and professional. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other content for more useful tips and tricks.